Hello everyone! We're gonna start today's project with a small brush, water and a little bit of red paint. First, let's paint a circle closer to the top part of the artwork. Next, we'll add a slightly tilted oval under the circle. We'll paint a wing on the right side of the oval. Next, we'll paint a beak. After painting upper part, we'll be adding lower part of the beak. Next, we'll paint a line to connect circle to an oval. We'll repeat the same step on the other side. Next, we'll paint half a circle on the bird's face to separate red feathers from white feathers. Let's switch to a medium-sized brush and darker red paint. We'll outline the wing and the belly. Next, let's paint in the right side of the head. Now we can add couple feathers for the tail. You can dip your brush in bright red paint to paint in the rest of the belly. Let's try to blend bright red with darker red paint. Now we can add second layer of red on the bird's head. Let's add couple bright red brush strokes on top of the tail. We'll switch to a large brush and yellow paint. Now we can start adding large brush strokes everywhere on the background. Next, you can dip your brush in lighter yellow paint to fill in the rest of the background. I'm switching to a medium-size brush to paint in smaller areas. Next, we'll use yellow paint to add yellow feathers on top of the wing. Let's switch to a small brush to add feather shapes. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in beige paint. We'll be painting in the white area of Parrot's head. We'll be using brown paint to add a branch under the bird. We'll be making our branch slightly wider on the right side. Now we can add couple smaller branches. Let's switch to a small brush and light green paint to add leaves. Now we'll be adding light green feathers under the yellow feathers. Let's also add a little bit of green on the left side of the bird. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in blue paint. We'll be adding blue feathers on the tip of the wing. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint to add yellow feathers on top of the green ones on the left side of the bird. Next, we'll paint 2 yellow legs. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint to create red feathers on the top part of the wing. Let's add couple feathers on the left side as well. We'll be adding a layer of small feathers on the head, edges, and the belly. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint to outline and paint in bird's beak. Let's dip your brush in dark green paint to add a line on top of each leaf. We'll use dark green paint to outline bottom part of each light green feather on top of the wing. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange paint to outline yellow feathers. We'll keep using the same color to add a circle for an eye. Let's add couple orange brush strokes on top of the legs. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint to add 3 fingers under each leg. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark red paint to add outline to red feathers. Next, I'm using bright red to add couple brush strokes on the tail. After washing and wiping my brush, I'm gonna dip it in dark blue paint to outline blue feathers. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint to add a smaller black circle on top of orange circle. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light beige paint to add highlights on top of the beak. We'll be adding 2 dots on top of an eye for a highlight. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to see more.